Hey guys, what's up? So I received an email from a student. So she's asking on how to use a protractor. So let's say you have this kind of protractor. Some of the protractors you won't able to see this particular space here in between. Okay. So some of the protractor you will just be able to see like a whole one. So the main thing for you to remember or um to remember and using a protractor is that you need to know what this hole is. You need to know that particular line there and the numbers outside. All right, just those three things. So the hole here, that is where you're going to put where the lines intersect to each other. Okay, the line here indicates that it's going to be the end of, or that will be the 180. Same goes with the 0. It can overlap a line. It can also indicate where you're going to create the line. Now, the lines here indicates the degree measurements. Okay, so I have here an example. I'm going to use this as an example because this one is like the much clearer one. Okay, so if you can see here, there is a 90-degree angle. So if we're going to use this, you're going to put the hole, okay, in the middle where they intersect. As you can see, there is a line here, right, on the protractor, and then you see also the line there. You're going to align them together, all right? You will see it should be equal to 180 degree. So if we're going to extend it, okay, let me get a ruler. If you're going to extend it, you will be able to see that the measurement is ta-da, a 90 degree. Okay, how about this 135 here? Where are you going to measure it? Okay, so again, the hole in the middle overlaps the line. Okay, there is the line there. 135. Okay, so when you're doing your project, the example that I gave you guys yesterday, okay, sorry, so this one here. So you wanted to measure if this is really 24 degrees, or how you're going to create the 24 degrees. The hole in the middle, overlap the lines by the line of the protractor. So as you can see, you will not be able to see there at 24. But if you're going to rotate the paper, okay, since you wanted a 24 degrees, let's find the 24. So this is 20, there's a 24 here. So that is where you're going to put the line, this line here. Because we don't have, we want to be accurate. Okay, so that's why I wanted you guys to use a graphing paper, because the graphing paper has lines. And using those lines, you will be able to see that it's going to be 24 there. And of course, you're going to create the line from this point to there, from the 0, not at the end, not at the tip of the protractor, but rather at the end of the line here. Okay, the end of the line. So let's zoom in. If you're going to see, there is a line there. That's a 0. This is the line here, right? This is a 24 degrees. Let's put it there. See? There's a 24. So that's basically how you're going to use the protractor. So you're the one, you're going to adjust the protractor. You're also going to adjust the paper. So you wanted to create those stuff. Basically, that's how you wanted it. If you still don't understand, okay. Oops. So let me get a pencil. Or let's use a pen. Okay, so let's say this is your line. Alright. Okay, I'm going to create a different line. So that is your line there. Okay. Now, you wanted to create a measurement here, let's say, a 17-degree angle. So since the intersection is here, okay, that's where you're going to put the hole. Now, where are you going to put the 17? So let's find the 17. 17 is over here because that's 10, 15, 20. So this is the line here. So we're going to put the 17 there. Okay. 17 is there, right there. If you can see it. Okay. Now, this is the line of the protractor. You're going to put it there. And then create the line. Okay, so that's basically how you guys are going to use the protractor. I hope this particular video helps. If you still have any questions, just shoot me an email or a comment. Alright, so